Alright, so this is the Hormex rooting powder that you can use for propagation. So they have different levels. So they're 1, 3, 8, and there's a 16 as well. Right now I'm using 3 and 8. I have some dogwood cuttings here. So for dogwood, which is on here, they recommend number 3. So very simple to use. Just moisten your stems, and then you can dip it in the powder. Get it on there evenly, and then you basically just put it in your medium. I am using perlite and vermiculite here, and then you can see I did a bunch of maple cuttings. For that I'm using number 8, which they recommend for maples right there. So I'm using a number 8. So just look up, they have a chart that will tell you which one you should use for what plant. So I found this to be really easy to use and really successful in rooting your plants and doing your propagation. So if you want to do some propagation, then definitely check this one out. It is really good and works really great.